Malapit na rin si Ulo.
Si Tim.
Oo, gold niya eh.
Shipping on lane number 1 is Magan Rixel Paul, South Cotabato. Lane 2, Blanco Carlos Mael, province of Pangasinan. Lane number 3, Revilla Kobe Marcos of Moc City. Lane number 4, Saison Marco 1 of Negros Oriental. Lane number 5, De La Cruz Rex Jr. of Moc City. Lane number 6, Benteras of Sonora, Pasig City. Lane number 7, Decon Julian Lowers of Quezon City. And lane number 8 is Beden Ryan Zach Ganser of San Fernando City, Illinois.